What's up, everyone? Today we're counting down the top 5 best solar hand crank radio options to keep you informed and powered during emergencies. Whether for camping or disaster preparedness, Budget Buying has the most reliable picks for you. Let's find your ultimate survival companion. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Baytwa Solar Hand Crank Radio. The Baytwa Solar Hand Crank Radio is a powerful and reliable emergency companion designed to keep you connected, informed, and prepared during any situation where regular power is unavailable. Built with a massive 16,000 milliamp-hour battery, it delivers long-lasting performance, offering up to 30 hours of continuous use. This high-capacity design ensures dependable backup power for communication and lighting when it matters most. Engineered for emergencies and outdoor survival, the radio supports multiple charging methods, including USB Type-C fast charging, solar charging, and hand crank power generation. These flexible options ensure the device remains functional even during prolonged power outages or remote adventures. It can also be used as a power bank to charge phones and other USB devices, making it a practical all-in-one survival tool. The device features Noaa weather alert technology, certified to receive official emergency weather updates from the National Weather Service. It can automatically detect severe weather warnings such as hurricanes, tornadoes, earthquakes, blizzards, and storms. With AM/FM radio support and a high-sensitivity antenna, it also provides access to news, entertainment, and emergency broadcasts with clear reception. As an 8-in-1 survival solution, the Baytwa radio combines a weather radio, SOS alarm, LED flashlight, reading lamp, compass, phone charger, and headphone jack in one compact unit. The 3-watt flashlight and 2.5-watt reading lamp ensure visibility during blackouts or nighttime emergencies, while the SOS alarm provides an added layer of safety signaling. Designed for durability, it comes with a waterproof, shock-resistant, and drop-proof body, making it suitable for harsh outdoor environments. Its lightweight 1.7-pound build and portable handle make it easy to carry in backpacks or emergency kits. Battery level indicators and charging status displays further improve usability and preparedness. Ideal for home safety, travel, camping, and disaster readiness, the Baytwa Solar Hand Crank Radio ensures you stay powered, informed, and safe in any emergency situation. Coming in at number 4, the VXF Solar Hand Crank Radio. The VXF Solar Hand Crank Radio is a versatile emergency essential designed to keep you informed, powered, and safe during critical situations and outdoor adventures. Built with multifunctionality in mind, it combines weather awareness, emergency communication, lighting, and entertainment in one compact device. One of its most important features is the integrated Noaa weather radio system. By selecting the WB band, users can access 7 Noaa weather channels and stay updated with local weather broadcasts. This helps in predicting severe weather conditions in advance, allowing timely preparation and evacuation during hurricanes, tsunamis, wildfires, blizzards, and other emergencies. In urgent situations, the built-in SOS alarm can be activated by pressing and holding the button for 3 seconds, triggering a loud siren along with a flashing emergency strobe light to attract attention and signal distress. Power reliability is a key strength of this device. It comes with a 5,000 milliamp-hour rechargeable battery that supports multiple charging methods, including Type-C USB, mains power adapter, solar charging, and hand crank power generation. This ensures continuous usability even during prolonged power outages or off-grid situations, making it highly dependable in emergencies or outdoor expeditions. The radio also features an advanced 10,800 millimeter square high-efficiency monocrystalline solar panel, which delivers up to twice the charging speed of standard solar panels. This allows efficient energy capture even in remote environments. Once fully charged, the device can operate continuously for up to 10 hours of FM radio playback, making it suitable for long trips or disaster scenarios. Beyond emergency use, it serves as a multi-function entertainment device. Equipped with the 8002D amplifier chip, it delivers clear and rich audio quality while supporting AM, FM, 87 to 108 MHz, and WB bands. Users can also play audio directly from a USB drive, enabling access to music, podcasts, or audiobooks without requiring internet connectivity. For lighting needs, the device includes a powerful 600-lumen LED torch capable of illuminating distances up to 25 meters. Additionally, it features a 4.8-watt reading light with 33 LEDs designed to provide glare-free illumination for comfortable night reading or indoor use. Overall, the VXF Solar Hand Crank Radio is a reliable, all-in-one emergency companion built for preparedness, outdoor survival, and everyday convenience. At number 3, we have the Uyeikmlop Solar Hand Crank Radio. The Uyeikmlop Solar Hand Crank Radio is designed as a powerful and reliable emergency communication device built for both home preparedness and outdoor survival. With its massive 12,000 milliamp hour ultra-capacity battery, it goes far beyond ordinary emergency radios, offering extended backup power to keep your essential devices running when electricity is unavailable. The addition of dual solar panels enhances charging efficiency, ensuring you can recharge the radio through sunlight even in remote or off-grid environments. This emergency radio features intelligent automatic frequency search technology, making tuning simple and fast. By pressing and holding the FM/AM button for just 2 seconds, the device automatically scans and locks onto the strongest available signal. This smart feature is especially useful in areas with fluctuating reception, whether in busy cities or isolated regions. It also supports saving preferred stations for quick and easy access. A key highlight of the device is its advanced NOAA weather alert system. Supporting AM, FM, and NOAA weather bands, it provides critical weather updates and emergency broadcasts. This helps users stay informed and prepared during severe weather conditions, such as storms, hurricanes, or tornadoes. Beyond radio functionality, it serves as a multifunctional survival tool. It includes a built-in flashlight with 3 modes, a reading LED light, SOS alarm, earphone jack, and a compass. The upgraded LCD display provides clear information about channels and battery status, while the 15.3-inch telescopic antenna ensures stronger and more stable signal reception. It also supports automatic channel searching for added convenience. Compact and portable, measuring 5.94 times 3.15 times 3.38 inches and weighing around 1.33 pounds, it is easy to carry with its practical strap design. Whether included in an emergency kit or taken on outdoor adventures, the Uyeikmlop Solar Hand Crank Radio stands as a dependable companion for unpredictable situations, offering communication, lighting, and survival support whenever it is needed most. Next up at number 2 is the Kayinow Solar Hand Crank Radio. The Kayinow solar hand crank radio is a versatile emergency communication and survival device designed for outdoor use, home backup, and disaster preparedness. Built to keep you connected during critical situations, it combines multiple functions into a compact and durable design. At its core, it features an auto NOAA weather radio system with 7 preset emergency weather channels, providing fast access to essential weather alerts and emergency updates. The one-touch auto scan and store function makes tuning simple and efficient, ensuring clear reception without manual searching when time matters most. Beyond emergency broadcasting, this device also works as a Bluetooth speaker and FM radio. It allows wireless music playback from a smartphone and supports TF cards for additional audio options, making it useful not only during emergencies but also for daily entertainment at home, camping trips, or outdoor gatherings. Power reliability is a major highlight of the Kayinow radio. It comes with a built-in 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery that can also function as an emergency power bank for charging mobile devices. Multiple charging methods, including USB Type-C, solar charging, and hand crank power generation, ensure continuous operation even when electricity is unavailable. For safety and visibility, the device includes a bright LED flashlight and reading light, offering dependable illumination in dark environments. An SOS alarm function is also integrated, allowing users to activate a loud emergency signal for urgent assistance when needed. Designed for rugged use, the radio is compact, lightweight, and built with durable ABS material. Its IPX5 water-resistant rating helps it withstand rain, storms, and harsh outdoor conditions, making it reliable for survival situations, travel, and camping. Overall, the Kayinow solar hand crank radio is a multifunctional emergency companion that combines communication, lighting, music, and power backup into one portable device, ensuring readiness and convenience wherever you go. Finally, at number 1, we have the Noaa solar hand crank radio. The Noaa solar hand crank radio is a powerful all-in-one emergency communication and survival device designed to keep you informed, connected, and safe during critical situations such as hurricanes, tornadoes, storms, and power outages. Built for reliability, it ensures you always have access to weather updates and essential power when you need it most. At the core of this emergency radio is an advanced auto Noaa alert system that continuously monitors all 7 Noaa weather bands. When severe weather or hazardous conditions are detected, it instantly activates a loud siren and flashing red alert light even while in standby mode. This automatic warning system helps ensure you never miss life-saving updates, even in the most unexpected situations. Power reliability is one of its strongest features, thanks to a true 12,000 mAh high-capacity battery. The device supports a 6-way power supply system, including AC adapter charging, USB input, hand crank operation, solar charging, AAA batteries, and its built-in rechargeable battery. This multi-source design guarantees continuous functionality even when conventional power sources are unavailable. A large LCD display allows users to easily monitor remaining battery levels at a glance. For ease of use, the radio features a large LCD digital screen that clearly displays time, frequency, battery status, and alert notifications. Its precision digital tuning system with auto-scan functionality makes it simple to access AM, FM, and SW stations quickly and accurately. Additional controls include 16-level volume adjustment and a 3.5mm headphone jack for private listening. Beyond communication, it also serves as a practical outdoor utility device. A high-brightness 3W flashlight provides strong illumination for nighttime navigation, while a 2.5W warm reading lamp offers softer light for indoor comfort. In emergencies, the built-in SOS alarm can be activated to emit a loud signal along with a flashing Morse code beacon to attract attention and assistance. Compact yet durable, making it ideal for both indoor storage and outdoor use. Its ergonomic design ensures a secure grip and easy operation, even in low light conditions. Whether for camping, travel, survival kits, or emergency preparedness, the Noaa Solar Hand Crank Radio is a dependable companion designed to keep you powered, informed, and ready in any situation. Stay prepared before the next storm hits. Check the price link in the description to grab the best deal today. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more top 5 survival and emergency gear reviews.